Okay, we start our first leg to Jakarta. Dan yeah, not fully ready, but take it like English. Just do it. Back to Jakarta Airport. Actually, we're going to Lombok. 1, 2, 3, C. This is the one.
Pastikan bagasi anda tidak menghalangi pintu mesin. Anda selalu dalam posisi duduk saat pesawat bergerak di darat. Sesuai dengan peraturan keselamatan penerbangan.
Susu ginger. Okay.
Mau lanjut dulu.
Pilih Pak.
3.
3 dulu kan? Okay, what? 3. Betul. Assalamualaikum, good morning from Sembalun. Nice day. Good morning, Plawangan Basecamp. Thank you for the nice coffee. Okay. I think we're going to the base camp.
Make sure we climb the right mountain, guys.
Our chalet. Okay, the porter is ready.
Istirahat rest.
Papol. Kamu ngobrol apa, Papol? Ngobrol apa? Hello. Sembalun. This is where we do check in to the park. Very high. And now we're going towards don't know where, but that's a nice. Boleh-boleh. Hakuna Matata.
Oh, Mr. Noordin!
Yay!
Wah!
Oh, shit, man. So
Position 3.
okay.
Jadi kita akan datang batu jadi susah cari.
Okay. Climbing. Gagah perkasa. Good luck, guys. We are between post 3 to post 4. Big pool. Then beautiful weather. Unreal, man. This is Zulfa.
look struggle, I don't know why. They're pretending.
Post 4 guy.
At post 4. It's our lunch. It's quite simple.
That's right.
Good.
Yep.
Yeah. No, let's meet.
Wait, let's go to base camp now. Wow.
Nyesal tapi ya, it's all in the mind. Ya, Pak Paul very.
Ke atas all. It's all down here. Be careful. I think we can put it this way. Another 1/2, huh? Okay. Habis sudah. Yang ni okey sikit eh? Okay. Nearly 2 PM. We altitude 2437 247. That's our porter.
Yeah. You want
Eh. Oh, sorry. So, how are you doing? You are well?
Okay, I'm a bit exhausted from
Yeah.
the first trip. Very far. You can come.
Mr. Ravi. Okay, let's push up to the base camp. Then tomorrow we. Hakuna Matata. Jambung.
Come. Finally, Plawangannya.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. Now 2:30. We reach base camp.
See tomorrow. Far away. So all the team.
We made it.
Tomorrow we'll be there after. Oh, you see that? This is from Brunei. Our camp. On the way.
Can't feel my muscle anymore.
What muscle?
Around.
Right, it means you have gained 1,300. Symptoms of flying is natural. Just to reduce the impact of this small baby bones. Just small ones. Here.
Tembus kat lupa. Ada hari ni. Buat tuan ni. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tepat jam 1.15 kita buat persiapan terakhir untuk pendakian ke Gunung Rinjani.
It looks scary just now with the light underneath you.
Oh, scary.
Hey Max, how do you feel?
I feel exhausted.
No, just like your name,
You're doing okay?
you feel maximum,
Yeah.
to the max.
I think I have come to my maximum.
You did. You made it. Hey, Lucas.
Yeah.
Won. Good job.
5, 6, 15.
Good job, Noordin.
Easy. I have
Single file. Hey, sampai ya.
Okay, bro, you can. Today's nice sardines, rice.
Good morning from the campsite at Rinjani. Yesterday we went up. What time did we wake up? We woke up at 1.
1 o'clock, yep.
Yeah. And then got our gear ready, and by 2 started our hike. So the first 1/3, super dark. It was really sandy. Really, the beach, the ground was as sandy as a beach. Then we were struggling up in the dark. Then the second third, that was where it got a little bit flatter, a bit easier. Somewhere in the middle there, the ridge basically, that plateau. But the last 1/3, the hard part, that is where you take 3 steps forward and you slide down 2 steps. Then you just have to keep on pushing and pushing until you reach the top. And then once you get there, you're seeing a beautiful view of the south side. Hey, wait, is it the north side or south side of Lombok? North side of Lombok. And behind you, you get to see the amazing crater over there. I mean, not the crater, the lake. And there's our amazing guide, Mr. Ravi Chandran of GEC, helping us all the way.
And it's a very cold night.
Good morning!
We will walk to Sembalun. Let's go.
We finished. Thank you, Rinjani. We love you so much. I will transfer back to Sembalun. Alhamdulillah. Done.